Good afternoon and happy Friday. Troy Chalet and Colin Gainham behind the lens here from Karen Paul and Associates. We want to show you our upcoming listing, soon to be live, 340 Erindale Drive in beautiful Elizabeth Gardens, Burlington. Let's check out this vintage backsplit with beautiful backyard, just tons of potential.
And a beautiful lot, Troy. We'll walk around the back first. I think that'd be a great way to start. And folks, the yard here is absolutely fantastic.
Oh, it's lovely. And anybody that's been tracking Burlington knows Elizabeth Gardens has been growing surely and steadily. The price realization is fantastic. The potential to add investment and maintain your equity is absolutely great. Great pocket to build in.
So what are the lot dimensions here, Troy?
We are just about 60 front, and we're getting on a little under 120 depth.
Beautiful. Tons of space here, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, walk around the other side and let's see what this lovely listing has to offer. This is certainly going to be a renovation project for the future buyer. You'll see, as Troy mentioned, the side split has tons of potential in terms of build out and ways you can finish the property. It certainly does need someone to come in here and put their finishing touches on it. And we know that that is a very hot market. So investors, renovators, stay tuned.
Get the creative juices flowing and just think what you can do with this property. Lots of space, lots of potential for opening up. Love these layouts, they yield so well.
We see them.
Nice neighborhood.
We see them quite often, this layout, and what I really grabbed me about the first time when I saw this property was the size of this main room. It's right off the front door, and it's an oversized family room. Really, you can open up the wall that Troy is just standing behind. That's where the kitchen is. If you wanted to open this up to a fully open concept floor plan, very easy to do so.
Some really cool features with these back splits too. You can knock through and have sort of a demi wall into the next level down. It really creates a sort of contemporary feel. Kitchen potential. Not too bad, nice and long. There's a side door here, which is fantastic.
So there's a side door, a separate entrance leading to the stairway right down to the basement. If you wanted to have a bit of a teenage retreat or even an in-law potential,
absolutely.
There it is.
This would be the place to do it. Let's check out the bedroom.
So how many bedrooms are in here, Troy?
We've got 3 bedrooms.
Wow.
And a 4-piece bath. So pretty vintage, typical. These rooms are generous for a 1965 build. Particularly this room, nice and bright as you can see.
Huge windows overlooking the backyard here. We got a great, lovely weather to do this video as well.
Beautiful day.
Okay.
Into bedroom 2 and 3. Bedroom 2, original oak strip. Also quite generous for its vintage. These would have been big rooms in the day. And that offers big potential. Seen a lot of people turn these into 2 bedrooms upstairs where they make one a master, pony on an ensuite next to the 4-piece, and fantastic potential.
So Troy, what are we going to be listing this property at?
Good question. It is amazing value at $775.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Bedroom 3, we're going to love the wallpaper. Of course, that can be changed if it's not your thing.
Great. And we'll take you into the 4-piece bath real quick. From here, we'll go check out the basement. So as I pointed out earlier, we have the separate entrance right here, and with the stairs going directly down to the basement. Great layout if you wanted to have that retreat, teenage retreat, or the in-law potential. So really, this the basement here is divided into two areas. We have a crawl space under the stairs that goes for that runs the remainder of the house.
Huge crawl space, tons of storage.
Tons of storage, and guess what? It's a clean crawl space.
It
Not
is.
too often you see that.
Nice and dry.
So down here, if you wanted to, tons of room. You could easily put another bedroom down here if you had a fourth bedroom requirement. Or if you wanted to lose one of the bedrooms upstairs, as Troy had mentioned, which happens quite often with renovations in this style of home, where you use the third bedroom for a large private ensuite as well as a large walk-in. This could easily become your third bedroom.
Absolutely, and I love that these windows aren't too high up. These houses don't go too deep into the foundation, so nice and bright.
Lots of natural light. So again, here we have laundry, and there is a powder room as well directly behind the camera right now. And again, lots of potential. It certainly needs some renovations. It needs some love. It needs someone to come in here, put their finishes on it. But here at 340 Erindale, being offered at $775, the possibilities are endless. If you have any questions, reach out to Karen, Paul and Associates, Troy Chalet, or Colin Gainham, and we'd be happy to have a conversation with you.